Model, 2015 Ford Transit Custom 290 Trend 2.2 TDCI-E Tech Factory Fitted Crew Cab Fresh Mot VAT included bargain. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 195671. MOT, the 1st of April 2026. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash whatsoever. Very clean, well-maintained, genuine factory crew cab. Fresh 12 months MOT VAT is included in the final price. Ready to go to work. Absolute bary. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 3 former keepers, parking sensors, cruise control, air con, 2 keys, 12 months MOT, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures.